Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to check the estimated ink levels of an Epson XP-405. Now this is nice and simple, we're done from the printer itself using nothing but the buttons on the front of the machine and its little screen. So, if you're not already on the home screen of the printer, just press this home button over here to be returned. First we need to get ourselves to setup, which we do by pressing this right hand arrow until we have setup selected. We press OK to go into that. And ink levels is the very top option. So we press OK again. And here you've got a breakdown of the black, yellow, magenta and cyan and how much ink your printer thinks it has in each of the cartridges. Now it's worth bearing in mind that this is only an estimate based on how much you've been printing and what coverage of the page in each colour your machine thinks you've been doing. And it kind of estimates how much ink it should have in the cartridge based upon the information given into it by the chip of the cartridge. Now if you're checking these ink level estimates due to a print quality issue you're experiencing, the cartridges are unlikely to be the culprit. These cartridges will always be filled with more ink than the printer thinks they have in them, so you should always hear ink sloshing around even when your machine thinks they're empty. If you're looking for this process due to a print quality issue, I would recommend checking out our test page and cleaning cycle videos that we also have for this machine on our YouTube channel. If, however, you're here for genuine reasons, just want to see how much ink is in there, and you want to try another cartridge, there's a cartridge replacement option if you just press down and OK. But that's about all there is to see here. I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please do let us know with a like. If there's anything else you would like to know, not covered in our other videos, please let us know with a comment. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.